Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV charging costs tracking with NerdWallet beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with tracking your EV charging costs using NerdWallet, first, open your web browser. Next, navigate to the NerdWallet website. Once there, create a free account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, look for the Tools section on the homepage. Click on Tools to access various financial calculators and trackers. In the Tools section, locate the EV Charging Cost Tracker. Click on the EV Charging Cost Tracker link to open the tool. Now, you'll be prompted to enter details about your electric vehicle. Provide information such as your vehicle's make, model, and year. Input your average monthly driving distance in miles. Next, specify your EV sufficiency in miles per kilowatt-hour. You can typically find this information in your vehicle's manual or online. Then, enter the current average cost of electricity per kilowatt-hour in your area. You can check this rate through your utility provider's website. After entering all the necessary information, review your inputs for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Calculate button to generate your estimated costs. The tool will display your projected monthly and annual EV charging expenses. Take note of any additional tips or insights provided on the results page. To track your expenses over time, consider linking any smart charging station you might have. If applicable, follow the prompts to integrate your charging station with NerdWallet. Once connected, NerdWallet will automatically update your charging costs based on your actual usage. Keep an eye on the insights provided to help manage your EV-related expenses effectively. Regularly check back on the platform to monitor changes in your charging costs. Utilizing these tools will help you make informed financial decisions related to your electric vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.